Hello there, fellow content creators. Today I'm going to show you a quick and fun way to increase your productivity in Notion. I've created this template to kind of gamify your content creation, and personally I found it really helpful. I got a lot of content creation related things done with this template. There's going to be a link in the description. You can duplicate it and you can use a full month. I'm going to do a follow-up video at the end of the month, and you can tell in that video's comments how many points did you get. Also, tell me in this video's comments if you're planning on using it. But yeah, let's get right into the template. So here we have it. Basically, it will automatically create these habit things for every day, and then you just kind of click which ones you've done, and then it will give you points. So if you get everything done, you get 10 points. All you really have to do is just click here and every day try to do something. You can see your weekly points here, and then you can see your monthly points in this one. But yeah, if you're a content creator, this is a really fun way to try to kind of improve your productivity. I did use it a little bit last month, and to me it was really helpful. I actually did way more than I expected. So if you're into gamifying your life, this is going to be a good way to do it. I'm going to put a link into the description so you can just duplicate this one into your own Notion and you can use it. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give my channel a subscribe. If you want to see more Notion content, tell me in the comments. I hope you have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.